My name is Kevin Ma, and I run a website called Hypebeast. Hypebeast is a men's online magazine focused on fashion, but we also cover other topics such as arts, design, music, and culture. Hypebeast was one of my first major projects that turned into a business. Hypebeast started off as a solo project. Since 2005, we've grown to a team of around 20 people. We started off covering sneakers, letting our readers know when sneakers released and what sneakers were on the market. There was a culture surrounding sneakers, including like hip-hop, street fashion. From there, we just kept expanding the categories that we talked about. I get to travel to many places that if I wasn't doing Hypebeast, I wouldn't be able to travel to. The maps on the Windows Phone helps me a lot when I travel because it helps me find the places I need to go to. We come up with our topics pretty organically. When we see something cool or interesting that relates to our audience, we would put it up. Hypebeast, it's like a slang that people used in the sneaker culture. People who bought things because they were hyped up, so we would call these people like Hypebeast. And I thought it was kind of funny, so I decided to use this name for the website. We get around 60 to 70,000 visitors on a daily basis and around 2 million monthly unique visitors. It's very important for me to be connected because 100% of my business is done online. The live tile function allows you to see what's happening right away, which is very useful for people like me who check what's happening in the world on a daily basis. Hypebeast has not only turned into my full-time job, but a full-blown company employing staff from around the world. It's been a fun ride.